Oi, oi! That's all good, man. This hair is so nice. Wow. Is there room for me to get past down here? Must be. Of course there is. Intrusive thoughts make me want to bunny hop off that, but probably not the time or the place. Just got to London. Left shoulder check on them ones, guys. Seen too many people not do that. Smart selections, you know. See that route on the right looks fun, but why would I do that? I need to go left. Currently on the way to meet a channel regular at the moment. He's been on the channel quite a lot lately, bit too much if you ask me. What the f is going on here? Don't know, did he just like flip me off? He panicked so hard. What the f was that about?
Pound for a sandwich. A pound.
A pound? Let me actually see if I got a pound.
More than that if you can, man. I'll get like a meal or something. I'm trying to get you a good eye for. $5 if you do it.
That's jumped way up, mate. Listen, I'm gonna give you a pound. There you go, mate. That's what you asked for. Nah, it's all good, man. Spend it wisely. Jump way up. Give him a 5. We want a f***ing 1 next. Right, welcome to London. Yeah. Do you want to meet? You want to meet us in Canary Wharf? Okay. Just head there, and then I'll tell you exactly where we're at. Alright, cool. That's the M140i, is it? Mate, he's brave, isn't he? He did not just go in the shop. Oh. Right. You know the way? Oh, you do know the way? Well, that's alright then, isn't it? Another day in London. This guy's got his arse out. I wonder if he heard that and chose to ignore that. He's gonna wheelie that. Currently on the way to Canary Wharf. I've got to check something out down there. He's gonna get me demonetized. Big old pothole right there. Make sure there's no speed cameras and that. On the way to Canary Wharf, and then we're going to go to this Empire meet tonight. So it's going to be our first big bike car meet, whatever it is. It's just some mad meet that goes on in London. I think it's on most Saturdays. I've never been before, so anyone from outside of the UK that doesn't know about it, or someone that's in the UK that don't know what I'm on about, that's what it is. Just some big bike car meet underground thing that I think location is always changing because police have shut it down. I'm not really too sure what to expect. This is getting out of hand. Mind out, oh my days. I think this is the traffic light spot up here. It is, it's the traffic light tree. Whoa, hey, we need a photo! Hey! Oh, oh, it's shut. Can't get in there no more. Into the 20 zone. Look at that, that's a restaurant on a boat. What the f? Can't go in there no more. Where? In that traffic light. In that traffic light. This hair is so nice. Wow. Oh, they had to do it, didn't they? They had to do it. They couldn't just cross because there's no cars coming. They had to press the light. What? Saying they could have just crossed. There's no traffic. Oh, this place is so nice, isn't it? Oh, there's a ramp there. That mate, he needs to press the light. You don't know how to cross a road. You walk right out in front of me. Oh, we go that way and boom.
Yeah, up to them traffic lights.
Yeah.
That corner over there, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, yeah. That's the place. Yo, we're going down. Yeah, probably. Hopefully he gets free parking then. Oh shit, I nearly died. Okay, this is alright, isn't it? He set off all of the alarms. I'm just doing a quick taste test. This one's what?
Called
Lost
Lost Lager.
Lager.
And that's called Fool's Gold. But they're both the two lagers that we have.
That one tastes fruity. Oh, that's the one. I can't remember which one it is though. Fool's Gold. Yeah, I'll have one of them. Pint, please. Nowhere to go, mate. No. Joking. Even he shouted. He's like, no, there's nowhere to go. Yeah, no, I think that one was me. Wait till I tell you about what just happened in that restaurant as well. That was the weirdest restaurant experience I've had in a while. Wait till I get outside, I'll tell you all about it. Why is it giving me my ticket again? Have I got to use it again or something? 100% secure.
Yeah, we park our car there as well. I haven't had any issues in there, but Canary Wharf as well, a lot, it's quite safe.
It's just sketchy. London and bike theft are just, it's just
even
mad.
for cars, bro. If a man got robbed at, brother, I bought a car 2 weeks,
Yeah.
fresh at the showroom, 2 weeks, both doors open, Rambo nights, 4 guys. I was like,
No
take
way.
the car, bro. Like, take the car.
Well, they took it off you?
Yeah, bro. I was like, who am I fighting, bro?
Yeah.
This long. I have one on my neck and one pointing at my abdominal. I'm sitting in the car like a chicken duck.
Nice one, mate. Appreciate it. Yeah. We're on the way to a petrol station. Then we're gonna go to this Empire meet right now. Why are you guys so slow? Why are you guys so slow? He's just gone across the... Oi, oi! Huh? I saw you eyeing him up. 97. Go around there. Oh, mate, he's gonna be around there waiting, isn't he? It's bag's done up. What's actually in your bag? Huh? Oh, I've got all my gay electrics on again. That was me getting beeped up by a lorry. Thought I couldn't squeeze a gap, but I fucking squeezed it. Woo! That come up high.
Wingstop.
No, I never had a Wingstop.
Fuck off.
Or do I eat chicken though? Is they good cooked chicken? It's not going to send me to the woods like last time. I'll tell you about that. Alright guys, first Wingstop. Can you believe it? We've got the hickory smoked barbecue right here. Standard, isn't it? It's a standard one. Taste test live and direct. Let me just test the chip. It's only right, isn't it? Alright, taste that burger. Oh my days guys, look at the state of it. Let's have a look then. Well, of course it's banging because I'm starving, but it's alright, yeah. Pretty banging. Oh, the MT's gonna bottom out. Yeah, cut through them little billabongs. Look at what? Oh shit, fatty. Oh, is it left? No, don't tell me we're here already. What kind of ride was that? Could have been up his arse. Oh, that's it. That's the person. That's the person. That's the one I saw. Yo. Yo. Cool. Well, I just got it on camera.